Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm doing an unboxing video for a company I found on Facebook called Only5Pounds.com. They sell all kinds of things, electrical, DIY, toys, stationery, basically anything that's not clothing. So while I'm just opening the box, please remember to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out. And a reminder, just to let you know that I haven't been paid or sponsored by this company. Everything I've bought is with my own money. So let's get on and see what the first item is from Only5Pounds.com. So this is very well wrapped in lots of sort of bubble packaging. So I'll just get the knife and open it up. And the knife I actually got from Poundland. I think you get a set of 6 in a pack for £1, and it's one of those ones with little blades that break off. Once it's got blunt, you just break it off and there's a new blade for you. So just an aside while I'm opening the packaging, and it's extremely well wrapped. And this item is a tablet keyboard by Grundig. So it's a Bluetooth keyboard for a tablet. It says for iPads 2 or 3, but it does say it also fits other tablets. And that was just £5, so that's not bad. That's a quite good value. I'm just going to get the next item out now. And this is a Bluetooth speaker. It's an aluminium Bluetooth speaker by Daewoo, I think that's how you pronounce it, and that looks really smart, and that was just £5. So that's going to go in the bathroom, so I can have some music while having a shower. On to the next item now, and this is an expanding file. Not really exciting, but I'm going to use that to keep my Avon invoices in. We get 12 books a year, so consequently we have 12 sort of invoices if you just place one order a month. So that's going to be useful, and that looks like really good quality. So you just unclip it to open, and inside you've got the expanding pockets and the tabs, and you do get the card to put the tabs in, so you can put the months or numbers or alphabetical or whatever, and it does expand to fit all your papers. That's extremely useful. That was just £5. And this is a single curtain panel, and it's quite long, and it's a sheer curtain. Now I got 2 because I wanted them to put into my son's bedroom, so I got 2. That was just £5 each, and I like these because they're the eyelet sort of fitting, so you just slide the pole through, so you don't need to bother with hooks and curtain tape and all that nonsense. And that's a lovely sort of linen material, linen fabric, and it's got tiny little sequins on, so that looks really quite smart. So the next item that's coming now is Hairy Biker's apron. I'm not a particular fan of the Hairy Bikers, I just need an apron, and that one was on sale, so I just bought it. So that was just £5, and it's sort of a stonewashed denim type fabric. I'll just undo it so you can have a better look at it. Trusty knife coming in useful there, if you use it the right way around, of course. So this is the Hairy Biker's apron. I got the black. I think they also do one in a denim, and I might get that one afterwards for when this one's in the wash. So it feels quite good quality fabric, quite hard wearing, and it does say to wash it before you use it. And it's got the single pocket on the front. So there's a pocket there, and the strap that goes over your neck, that's quite generous. And it's got the Hairy Bikers logo on it again, so it's useful for the kitchen. Right, this next item is a utensil holder. Oh, there's something inside. Ah yes, some dressmaking pins, and those were for the princely sum of 37p. So on this site, only £5. Everything is £5 or less. So those are just 37p. And I've got those dressmaking pins because I do a little bit of sewing, and I'm not really keen on the pins that you get with the little bead at the top because they feel a bit thick and they don't really go through the fabric really well. So I'm just opening it up to show you what they look like. I'm sure everybody knows what pins look like, but these are the more traditional kind of dressmaking pins. And you get 360, so that's what they look like, just normal stainless steel pins. They're probably good if you do lace making. You use a lot of pins for that, but these are just for when I do my sewing. So you can just about see them, just normal stainless steel dressmaking pins. 360 for 37p, what a bargain. Let's put those to one side, and this is I think it's a bamboo utensil holder. So that looks quite smart, and it feels really sturdy and good quality. But I'm going to use it to put my combs and brushes in on my dressing table, because what I've got at the moment is just a little tin. It looks a bit flimsy, and that looks much smarter. So I think that was the final item. So just quickly going through what I bought. So there's your Heavy Biker's apron. And there's the two single curtain panels. Those are quite long. Those would probably look nice in front of a door, but I'm going to use them on a window. There's my utensil holder, apron again. I'm just getting the few items. There's the pins. Apologies for the camera shaking, but I'm just kind of knocking the table. I do apologise for that. And there's my Bluetooth speaker. That's my favourite item out of the whole parcel. My expanding wallet to put my invoices in, and the Bluetooth keyboard for my tablet. Oh, the camera's shaking quite a bit there because I'm knocking the table. Sorry about that again. So that's everything that I bought this time round. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.